They shut down the fucking Orange Line at Sullivan. We had to take a shuttle to Oak Grove from downtown, from Sullivan. And it's mobbed. Man, it's like a concert. So many fucking people. Look at this shit. They got this shit fucking blocked out. Look at this shit. That shit is crazy. People are fucking... I wouldn't want to be on that train that deep anyways. That's just too many people. That shit is crazy. Straight madness. Yo, how far is North Station? How far is the walk from North Station?
The train
Crazy. Watch your pockets, motherfuckers pickpocket your ass. It's fucking Friday. They gonna drive off? There's mad people. Wow, this is crazy, straight madness.
Okay, there's a fire, where's the fire at? It's on the train. Huh?
Fucking crowd, it's like this crowded.